Guys, this your boy John the Liquidator coming back with another video. And it looked like the sights and sounds from the OTAs has been released along with an article. And we have a Deshaun Watson update. He's definitely open to staying in Cleveland, Ohio. Guys, for this one here, we got to go all the way up to Cleveland. Let's get it. Let's go. One of the hottest stories going on in the NFL is these Cleveland Browns OTAs. One of the biggest stories in all of the NFL this offseason is the battle between Deshaun Watson and quarterback Shedeur Sanders. A lot of people want inside footage, inside knowledge of it, and it looked like some information has been released. This one, 2 minutes here. These are nice balls. Good work, man. Good work, man. Shedeur Sanders out there putting on, bro. Watson. Oh, come on. Bro, did y'all not see him just muff that? Come on, bro. That was a very, very mistake. That was horrible. That was horrible. So that was Deshaun Watson, man. Moving on to the last and final part of this video, we have to talk about the news that is coming out about Deshaun Watson being open to staying in Cleveland. It's been reported that Deshaun Watson understands fans' frustrations, doesn't rule out staying long term in Cleveland. ESPN Dan Orlovsky and Jeremy Fowler reported that a source close to Watson, who is who is competing with Shedeur Sanders for the starting quarterback position, stated that the 30-year-old player is exclusively focusing on this upcoming season, but believes he doesn't rule out staying in Cleveland beyond 2026 if things go well. I think he'll be open to that possibility, the source stated. So, for people saying that Deshaun Watson is open to leaving Cleveland, that's just not true. Um, I believe that is kind of fake news. And this right here is definitely coming from Jeremy Fowler and Daniel Orlovsky, the same people that reported that Deshaun Watson and Todd Monken is kicking it off. Jeremy Fowler was the one who broke that story. See, I believe the Deshaun Watson camp is leaking information to ESPN to let people know, hey, we hear what y'all saying. We're going to control our own narrative, but it is what it is. Pull up brownswire.com. And as you guys can see right here, it's stated sights and sounds from Cleveland Browns Wednesday OTAs. Now, shout out to them. It's also being reported that for the first time this offseason, the Cleveland Browns have had both veterans and rookies on the field for the OTAs. That was the one that took place yesterday. Now, both quarterbacks, Shedeur Sanders and Deshaun Watson, receive reps with the first team. Offense asked the two battle it out for the starting quarterback job. Both had some good moments and some bad moments, but they weren't facing any pass rush. Now, that is the big point of all this. Neither one of them seen pass rush. Now, this is a treasure trove of clips from the practice that we did not see, all in a collective order for us to see. Let me blow this up all the way for you guys so we can check out exactly what went down at these OTAs. Let's roll it. So this looked like Deshaun Watson here. So that was Deshaun Watson there in that clip. Here's another clip here. This is Browns wide receiver Casey Conception rocking the number 1 this season. That looked like a solid route from him. Then it's Mary. Something I'm seeing is that the Browns is doing a lot to heighten up KC. He's definitely going to be the number one wideout, bro. No question about it. I believe he is. Let's play this clip here. Let me get this blown up for you guys here real quick. Let's play this clip. There's another little clip down here. This is pretty solid footage, man. I can't even lie. It's definitely good. Let's roll this one. That was, I believe that was Deshaun Watson that threw that ball there. It said undrafted wide receiver. I mean, undrafted rookie cornerback Nate Evans. Check this one. I want to see this one again. I'm not even gonna lie, that was a nice pass, bro. That was a nice pass, bro. That definitely was. Okay, here goes some Shedeur Sanders clip. Hold on, did he drop that? Let me watch this again, bro. We're gonna have to watch this one again, bro. I ain't lying. Because I talked about this yesterday. Dog, with these wide receivers and Shedeur. Definitely did. Definitely spoke about this. Let me see if I can play it right here. No, I think the defender might have broke that one up. Let's get it one more time. All right, we got some more clips here. This is Shedeur again. Let's watch this one again. And Jerry Jeudy caught that one. He caught that pass. Oh, he fumbled the ball, bro. Oh, man. Knocked it clean out. Wow. Wow. That's crazy work. It is what it is, man. You guys get down in the comment section. Let me know y'all thoughts about this. Till next time, man. Shake the haters off. I'm out of here, y'all. Peace out.